This is you. And today, you decide something dangerous. For the next 7 days, you will not lie. Not even small lies. No fake compliments. No, I'm fine. Day 1. It starts small. Your friend asks,
So, how's the food? It's good.
how's my new haircut? Normally, you would say, looks great. But today, you say, it doesn't suit you. Silence. Day 2.
Boss, we have a serious problem.
Calm down.
The easy truths are gone. Now it gets personal. A friend says, we should hang out more. You reply, I don't enjoy our conversations. At work. Day 3. You notice something strange. Fewer messages. Shorter replies. Less invitations. Someone says, be honest, do you think I talk too much? You answer, yes. They stop talking. For the first time, you realize something. Honesty doesn't just reveal truth. It reveals consequences. Day 4. It finally hits your job. Your boss asks,
Employees, I need this done by morning. No excuses.
what do you think of the new strategy? You could say, looks great. But you don't. You say, it won't work. Day 5. Something changes. You run out of people to correct. Now it's just you. You look in the mirror. You ask yourself, am I really trying my best? You answer, no.
I can't stay here forever. It's time to move forward.
Day 6. You notice something. People talk to you less, invite you less, trust you less. Not because you lied, but because you removed comfort. Honesty without kind. Day 7. You learn something. Honesty is powerful, but raw honesty is not wisdom. Truth without timing can damage. Truth without empathy can isolate. And truth without self-awareness can become cruelty. Being 100% honest doesn't make you strong. Knowing when and how to be honest. So 7 days. You didn't fail. You learned something better. Honesty is not about saying everything. It's about saying the right thing the right way. Sometimes silence is wisdom. Sometimes truth needs softness. Being real doesn't mean being brutal. It means being aware.